Now I'm going to show you how to create the appointment form. We have a template that you can use. You can use pretty much any plugin that you want to create it, but I'm going to show you how to put it into your theme. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the dashboard and we're going to look at our pages. And what I've done is I've created another page called Contact. If I view the Contact page, there's not a whole lot on it, right? It says Contact, Contact page content here. You can write whatever you want. But again, like usual, just kind of by default, these are assigned to the main sidebar, which just has some few things in it. And of course, if you go back in here to your widget area, you can see that in your main sidebar, you have these different categories, so you can control those. So what we want to do is we want to get the appointment sidebar in there instead. So what I'm going to do is click Edit. And then over here under Default Template, I'm going to go ahead and put Appointment Sidebar Right. And I'm going to click Update. And then we're going to view the page. And you can see you need to add your contact form to the Appointment Sidebar widget area. So again, we're going to go back to the dashboard, right? This is our Appointment Sidebar widget area, kind of some instructions in here. But what we need is an actual, plugin that's going to handle this. So what we're going to do is go here to Plugins, and we're going to hit Add New. You can use any plugin you want, but there are some popular ones. So I'm going to use Contact Form 7. So Contact Form 7, it's one of the most popular contact forms. Here it is. I'm going to click Install Now and then Activate. You can see here it is now activated. And what I'm going to do is use this form. This particular contact form puts this over here into my sidebar. It's just the way this plugin works. So we're going to go to Contact Forms. And I'm going to, looks like we have this one here, so we're going to edit it. It's kind of like the default one they just put in here with some information. I'm not going to go to all the details of setting it up because you're going to set it up how you like, and you might not even use this particular plugin. But you can see we do have this one set up. I'm going to go ahead and edit the title just to make it, so it's simpler. As the page gets bigger and bigger, we'll have different things on here. So I want to kind of name things so I can keep track of them. So I'm going to call this Appointment Form, and I'll click Save. And you can see with this particular form, it gives me this short code, Contact Form 7 ID 50. And it says, you copy this short code and paste it into your page, post, or widget. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to grab this, I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to go to my widget area, open up my appointment sidebar, and I need to put the short code in there. So what I'm going to do is just grab a custom HTML or a text widget, drag it over into the sidebar, paste in my shortcode, and then hit save. And let's see what happens. Refresh. And there you go. Basically, it's a contact form, but you can go into the plugin, right back into Contact. You can edit this form, and you can use this plugin to edit the actual functionality of that form. Tell it what you want it to have in it, where you want it to email. That way when somebody comes in here, you can actually control what they're entering, and then when they hit submit, it will email to you at your office, and then you get the message that somebody has contacted you to schedule an appointment. And that's it. That's how you set up your appointment bar.